going to see in unboxing of TWS device. This Oneplus device comes with a decent package. Inside this small box, we have the red cable plug cord and the regular paperwork. And we have one charger cable, and also the ear tips. When we open the case, the white light indicator denotes it's ready to pair with a device. When the white light indicator turns into green, it denotes it's connected with a device. Oneplus budZ have more customization options with Oneplus phones. Unless we have another options for another mobile phones to connect with the Oneplus budZ. We can customize with minimal options through Melody app. In that we have the customization app for the left, right earbud, play, pause, previous, next, and voice assistance. In this app, supports only the Oppo and the sub-brand of Oppo, that is a Oneplus. This app only supports the Oppo devices and Oneplus devices. We can install these apps through Play Store for free. Price range of this Oneplus budZ. In normal days, this price range is 2,999. In offer days, the price range of Oneplus budZ is 2,699. This is the best TWS device in the budget range of 3K. That's all about this video. I hope you guys like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.